So what's included in the Art of Wine Toolbox? On one side, we have a selection of 6 great wines in small sample bottles. So 6 samples of wine for you to taste with guided tastings, obviously in the course. But with that, we also have the Nose and Taste of Wine box, which is basically a selection of 6 key aromas of wine and the 3 primary tastes of wine in dehydrated, powdered, natural form. So the aromas, the wine scents, they're little tubes, little tubs like this that you open up, shake, and in there you have concentrated scent of one of these 6 key aromas of wine. And on the back you have the name of the aroma. So with that also comes an app, a web app for you to have exercises to develop your sense of smell, but also exercises to play around with your friends alone or also with wine. And then we have, as I said, these dehydrated powdered form tastes of wine that you add to water. They're really good to exercise your palate because you have no influence of flavor. So you can really hone in on your sense of taste, develop it, and really get an understanding of these 3 primary tastes that exist in wine. So that's it for the Nose and Taste of Wine box.